The last area Grace focuses on is inserting a table of contents. Microsoft Word includes some powerful features for automatically generating tables of contents, which list the major headings in your document. This is incredibly useful for accessibility of navigating through a larger document. Once the headings have been styled and a table of contents inserted, each heading in the table of contents acts as a hyperlink. This allows you to immediately navigate to that section of the document. Grace is working on a document that does not have any table of contents inserted. To maintain WESCAL standards and before any client review, this will need to be completed. Let's explore this in Word. Earlier, you learned how to apply styles to your document. Microsoft Word has a great feature that inserts a table of contents in just 3 steps, assuming that heading styles have already been applied. Grace knows how to do this. So the first step she takes is to choose a location in her document for the table of contents. Then, click the References tab, then Table of Contents on the far left. Now click one of the automatic options. And that's it. You'll notice that Word brilliantly takes all the headings and automatically categorizes them into a table of contents for you. To support accessibility, each heading in the table of contents acts as a hyperlink, allowing you to immediately navigate to that section by pressing Control and clicking the heading. In the Table of Contents drop-down menu, you'll also find a Manual and Custom option. These allow you to create a table of contents yourself if you don't have your heading styled or want to build a custom table with a heading level greater than 3. With either of these options, you must do all the work yourself. The automatic option suited Grace's needs, so she chose one of them. Another great feature of Word is how easy Microsoft has made updating any changes. If you've made changes to headings in your document, the table of contents can be updated by simply clicking inside the table of contents and pressing F9 on your keyboard. Any changes to your headings or styles will update automatically. Another way is to select the table of contents and click Update Table of Contents at the top, or by right-clicking the table of contents and selecting Update Field, and lastly by navigating to the References tab and clicking Update Table. With any of these actions, a dialog box will open in which you can choose to update the entire table or just the page numbers. Click OK and the table updates. To remove the table of contents, select the table and click in the top left corner to open the drop-down menu. At the bottom is the option to remove table. Simply click it and the table of contents will disappear. As you have seen, Microsoft Word makes it extremely easy to create a table of contents in just a few simple steps. Well done! You've now explored citations, bibliographies, and tables of contents.